Hi, my name is Steve Powell, and I am the scan technician in the Texas region. Today, I'm going to talk about the benefits of utilizing 3D laser scanning in refinery applications. 3D laser scanning is a non-contact measurement tool that is extremely helpful in capturing the as-is conditions of an existing space in order to create as-built drawings or 3D models. Laser scanning can be used to capture everything from topography to architectural features of the interior and exteriors of buildings to complex spaces such as mechanical rooms or refineries. The more complex the space is, the more benefit the client will get out of laser scanning. Refineries are a great example of a complex space due to the vast size of the facilities, the congestion of piping and mechanical equipment compacted into a tight area, as well as the complexity of where things run and how they interact with other parts of the facility. There are many other elements that add to the complexity of creating as-builts of these facilities, such as weather, noise, steam, vibration, heights, workers, or even day-to-day operations. Trying to create as-builts of these facilities using traditional methods can be time-consuming, costly, inaccurate, and dangerous. As I mentioned previously, since laser scanning is a non-contact measurement device, a technician such as myself can set up safely on the ground or a catwalk to capture information about the site without the risk of falling or getting too close to hazards. Traditional methods could potentially require a crew to expose themselves to unsafe positions such as heights or being within unsafe ranges to certain hazards. Speaking of safety, all of TruePoint's scan technicians have a minimum of OSHA 10 training to ensure they understand safe practices while on site and how to minimize potential dangers associated with these types of facilities. Not only is laser scanning safer, but it can be faster, more complete, and more accurate than traditional methods. Using traditional methods to as-built a refinery could take a team of people months to gather enough information to pull together a basic model of the site. With laser scanning, this could take a 1 or 2 man crew days or weeks. And since the scanner will capture up to 1 million measurements per second, the information will be more complete, potentially eliminating or at least minimizing site revisits due to mismeasurements. On a secured site, a revisit for 1 or 2 extra measurements could easily mean a half day or more on site plus travel time. Also, most laser scanners have an accuracy of 2 to 4 millimeters for any one individual point. Maintaining that level of accuracy with a tape measure throughout a refinery would be difficult or next to impossible. In summary, laser scanning is safer than traditional methods as it may eliminate the need and cost for lifts or safety equipment. It's faster and requires less people, reduces or eliminates travel costs associated with site visits to gather initial information or additional details that were originally missed. It eliminates your team's time out of the office when you could be doing other billable work in addition to savings of travel costs and rental of man lifts or other equipment. As opposed to traditional methods, when the client receives the deliverables, they are ready to begin their work immediately versus having to go back to the office after taking field measurements and still needing to create their model before beginning their work. One bit of advice: the sooner that laser scanning is used in construction or renovation projects, the more value the client will receive. First, the data or deliverables can be sent out with a request for a proposal, allowing bidders to have more information about the project. This will lead to less unknowns and more accurate proposals. Second, this will also minimize or eliminate change orders associated with these unknowns or not having accurate enough information for clash detection or prefabrication of expensive parts, and also eliminating schedule delays due to these field changes. Laser scanning is safer, faster, and more accurate, which leads to a cost-effective method for creating as-builts of a facility. Please call us today to learn more or to request a quote.